Think marine animals. Think the animals that survive off the animals that live in the ocean. Just think about those. And then there's us. When we discard our plastic, it causes issues for all of them. When we discard the plastic, it disguises itself as looking like something that a sea creature can eat. And they think, why not? Not a good idea. Because when they eat them, it's considered a choking hazard for them. But then the plastics shrink and become microplastics, and then they get eaten even more. Think about what you eat, or think about the fish that you eat. What does it eat? What did it eat before? Most plastics that are discarded are single-use plastics. Use them more often than just once. COVID-19 caused so many problems. It helped in one way, but caused way more problems. The way it helped was that it decreased the level of ocean acidification by a small amount because of the fact that nobody was going anywhere. We were all stuck in quarantine. But then the big problems were with the masks and the gloves, and every time somebody wanted to eat something, it had to be packaged in plastic, making it so much worse. And that just didn't help at all. It didn't help the animals, the plants, anything that lived in the ocean. It didn't help. One of the best ways to help with this problem is use reusable shopping bags. Stop using the single-use ones, like the plastic ones that you get at the grocery store. Get reusable masks made out of fabric. Have reusable containers for drinks, for beverages, and anything. And use reusable straws. It can't hurt. Care for the oceans. We all rely on it.